Well, you're getting ready to jump on the 6130 here. Love that tractor. It's actually pretty quiet. It's big cab, spacious, lots of fuel. I gotta check the oil. Probably add some fuel and some DEF fluid. Got the harvester next to us here. See them out in the field. Here's the operator. About 15 pallets on there. This is the farmyard here at JB Family Growers. There's the old harvester, some equipment over there. Drill, John Deere tractor, forklift. 2-ton fertilizer spreader. Older tractor, one of 12 tractors we have here or so, not counting this 6 or 7 compact tractors. And we got 15 forklifts, 12 semi trucks, trailers, pumping out the sod here. We also have the flower farm down at the far end of the property, over a mile away. And we're just close to the freeway and stone's throw across Lake Washington from Seattle, Washington, here in the Pacific Northwest. Cool, 63 degrees this morning, 7:30. Looking at the farmyard and getting rolling on the tractor, adding some fuel, some DEF fluid, blue cap there, checking the oil, and taking that 36-foot 5-deck mower out to the field. Do 60 or 70 acres today, 60 or 70 tomorrow, roughly. Thanks for watching. Probably more like 100 acres today. Have a great day. It's July 22nd, 2024.